Radio SI Main Stage.
Paul was a stand-up guy. He tried to be relatable. He got a dog, he bought a house, he swam in an inflatable pool. A white-collar fool. Jane owned a flower shop. She tried to be mysterious. She had a few addictions and a couple of delirious friends who wanna see how this all ends, who wanna find out who to blame when the world comes crashing down on Paul and Jane. Well, it takes two to be one too many. Why can't we be more like George and Jenny? Well, nothing and nobody's gonna save us from the rain. Paul always got his money's worth, but wished he was an altruist. He had some problems with himself, but none were worth his therapist's time. To live in life. Jane found herself at 35, still waiting on that record deal. She was short on friends she'd like, but never thought that one day she would mind how they watch her life unwind, how they search for one to blame when the world came crashing down on Paul and Jane. Is it us or is it life that's getting in the way? I'd love me to be quiet too, but I've got so much to say. Is it fear of seasons change? You're not the one I've known, but should I hear your sweet heartbreak? I feel it as my own. What if we've gone insane? What if none of us remain when the world comes crashing down on Paul and Jane? Well, it takes two to be one too many. Why can't we be more like George and Jenny? Well, nothing and nobody's gonna save us. Well, it takes two to be one too many. Well, you know I hope for George and Jenny. Well, nothing and nobody's gonna save us. Save us. We're the only ones who are gonna save us. Save us. Nothing and nobody's gonna save us from the rain.
Main Stage. Radio SI Main Stage.